Hello, welcome back. In this class, we'll be discussing how we can get a stock video or images for our design. To do that, you go to our Chrome to get stock images. Then you go to video. The first site we'll be using is video.pixels.com. I have sent it to our group, videos.pixels.com. videos.pixels.com. videos videos.pixels.com. videos.pixels.com. This is the site. The first site we'll be treating is, and then you can see the best free stock videos here. So if you want to download it here, you can just scroll down to check if you can find some videos that you wanted to see. But if you couldn't find it, then you just search what you want to know. Let's assume that we are doing Ramadan. You just go there and search for Ramadan. Then search. Then you bring any video related to Ramadan. Then you scroll down to check the one that you wanted to download it. Then after seeing the one that you wanted to download, let's assume you want to download this, you just come to this download. Then it will brought this download. You can just click on the free download, but if the free download did not work for you, it might take you to any other place. You just click on the video and click it, then you see download video. Then after that, you then download the video. Then they downloaded our finished. So that's first method on how to download. So can you see open video? The video has downloaded. Then you can search any video that you wanted to use for your design. Then the second site that we'll be tweeting about is cover.co. cover.co. Then you go cover.co. Then you click on the cover.co. Then you can see video or images. You can see video, then you search on the images that you wanted to download. Let me say technology. Technology. Then it will bring different videos for us. I don't know, the service is now going. So on these are the videos that you can use. These are the videos that you can use. You can take it to desktop mode. If you want to free it, just go to desktop site. Can you see it? More free technologies video. The first one is for free technology for them. You can just click any one that you like. Anyone. Can you see that iStock videos at the top? This one will bring a watermark. If you download the iStock video, it will come with a watermark. Can you see? It will come with a watermark. That means it will display the iStock logo on the video. But you can just scroll down and see the video here. You just come here, click on it, and click on download. The service is very slow. Click on download here. Then you can download the video. So if you want to change the ratio, you can just come here to change the radio, maybe full HD, or I don't need it. That's the reason why I'm not downloading it. Let me just come to another one that might be needed. If you want to change the ratio, full HD. So the thing is downloading. It has downloaded. Let me cancel it. I'm not downloading it. Okay. That's the second method on how you can download our stock video. Then the third one will be